respected Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. Today we are going to perform Keshwananda Bharti drama, State of Kerala versus Keshwananda Bharti.
Understand the importance of Keshwananda case, 1973. Explore the basic structure, doctrine of Indian Constitution. Learn how the judiciary protects fundamental rights. This case is a turning point in India's constitutional history. Keshwananda Bharti, a CM from Kerala, challenged the Kerala government land reform laws, but the case became much bigger. It questioned whether Parliament can change the basic structure of constitution or not. So let's begin.
Court is now in session. Please be seated.
This honorable bench is assembled to hear the constitutional matter Keshwananda Bharti and the state of Kerala.
Keshwananda Bharti was a state of Kerala case concerning the power of Parliament under Article 368.
The petitioner may proceed by their opening statement. Learned counsel, you may proceed.
Yes, you may proceed.
Your Honor, I appear in the behalf of Keshwananda. The land reform laws passed by the constitutional amendment have violated my client's fundamental right to property and religion. We argue that the Parliament's power to amend constitution is not limited. It cannot alter the basic structure, the soul of constitution.
Are you saying the elected Parliament cannot make law for the public good?
Parliament can make laws, but it cannot destroy the fundamental right in the name of reform. If there is no limit, what stop a government from removing democracy itself?
And what according to you? This is a basic structure. Can you elaborate? Interesting. Please continue.
Your Honor, it includes rules of law, separation power, fundamental right, free and fair election, secularism and federalism. These must never be removed, even by the Parliament.
We now call upon our government representatives. Yes, you may proceed.
My lords, the constitution gives Parliament the power to amend any part of it under Article 368. If the will of people through elected MPs wants a change, it must be allowed it. No unelected body should limit Parliament's sovereignty.
Are you saying the Parliament can even abolish democracy?
If it is done legally and with a proper process, yes, the people are supreme.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
If the Parliament will have that much power, it can remove any fundamental right, like right to equality, right to freedom, any. So I request the court that the Parliament should not have that much power, so it can amend the constitution.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
According to Keshwananda Bharti, the Parliament is destroying the constitution, but it is not like that. We have amended just one right from the fundamental rights for the public good.
Good point. The Parliament should not have that much authority to need some restrictions.
Your Honor, my client Keshwananda Bharti wants to speak with you. I have permission for calling him.
Permission granted.
Keshwananda Bharti हाजिर हो.
My lord, I have no hatred against the law. But if the spiritual and constitutional soul of India is lost, then what is left? I did not stand just for the land, but for justice, equality and truth. That's all.
Your Honor, now I want permission for calling my first witness.
Permission granted.
सैयदा सुमैया हाजिर हो.
Whatever I will say the truth. Apart from that, I won't say anything else. Your Honor, my right as a citizen must not change with every election. I need a constitution which protects even from power. That's all. Your Honor, now I have permission for calling my second witness.
Permission granted.
कटके का सूर्यवंशी हाजिर हो.
Whatever I will say the truth. Apart from that, I won't say anything else. My lord, my rights as a citizen must be not changed in every election. I need constitution to protect myself from the power. That's all.
Your Honor, now I want permission for calling my witness.
Permission granted.
सैयदा रुखसार हाजिर हो.
Whatever I say truth. Apart from that, I won't say anything else. Your Honor, we are not against the constitution should serve the people. Land reform is necessary for equality and progress. If the rich can use constitution to proper form, it becomes a weapon of the powerful.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
No one can claim that my client used his pen to block the constitution.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
We are just not talking about your client. We are talking about the whole country. It's common that every rich person use their wealth to save themselves.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
But here my client don't.
Who knows that?
He don't. What proof do you have?
And what proof do you have?
Do you want to defeat them or protect your client rights?
I want to protect my client's right.
Yes, that's correct. If the government will take over all the land of Keshwananda Bharti, then where he will live?
Your Honor, today if we give land to Keshwananda Bharti, then tomorrow everyone will come to the government and ask for the property. If this goes continued, then one day the land of India will be collapsed.
Objection, Your Honor.
Objection sustained.
Okay, now you have took the land from my client. So you would have given money to him.
But we have already sanctioned him some money.
But the money is not half price of the land.
Whatever it is, you have to respect government's decision.
Okay, now you have removed one right to property. What guarantee do you give in future he will not?
It is written in Article 368 that we can amend any part of the constitution for the public good.
This is only the weakness of Indian democracy.
Order.
Attorney General, Land Council, please take your seat.
This court has heard extensive arguments from both sides, petitioner and state. It is not just about the property, it is about the soul of our Indian constitution. The key question: can Parliament, through constitutional amendments, alter or destroy the foundation of democracy? We, the judges of this honorable court, declare the Parliament cannot destroy the basic structure of the constitution. It may amend, but it cannot erase the essence that gives the constitution its identity.
What is the basic structure? It includes the rule of law, fundamental rights, judicial review, separation of power, democracy, secularism. These cannot be violated, not even by Parliament.
The constitution is not just a document. It is a state contract between people and state. We are the judiciary and the guardians of this contract.
Therefore, by our majority of this honorable court holds that the Parliament has limited power under Article 368. It can't amend in a way that it destroys the basic structure. The Parliament has absolute authority to amend any part of the Constitution, but it can't amend or destroy the fundamental rights. This is a landmark judgment. This is a last day of judgment, but it is a first day to protection of our Indian Constitution. The court is adjourned.